Hey guys, alright, real quick, I promised to walk around with the bodywork off on this car, so I know I do most of the work on this car myself, but I did drop by HRD here in Ledgewood to help me out with a few quick things on the car. And apologies if I sound weird, I'm slightly under the weather, but I'm alright. So yeah, so here we go. The car is undressed. Wanted to give you guys a full look at this thing with the bodywork off before I throw it back in the trailer. These front roll bars, which are these suckers, are very unique to Radicals. The front and rear are both that design. It's called a Nick Link. I assume the guy who made it is named Nick. If not, I don't really know what it stands for, but it's a pretty neat little way to do a roll bar. Kind of neat, but here you can see all the fun stuff. And in here, pretty neat. Oh, I gotta take this throttle stop the guys left in the car here. I'll pull that out before I leave. But the car's equipped with the full radio equipment, got a brand new fire bottle in there. Here's the honeycomb aluminum crash structure in the front, all my brake ducting. It's got a high steering rack on it. That's how they're all designed. Got carbon fiber brake ducts. It's double A-arm suspension. It's really nice. Proper race car stuff. This is the plug for the front lights up here. A real pedal box. That throttle pusher on there. I gotta give back to the guys. So I do have the seats and everything out of it. I was doing a big over on this car. I had a slight leak and we were trying to chase it down. That's why it's here. So the seat's out. Under this big plate is the fuel cell. I did replace that fuel cell and there's no issue there. So these guys are just checking. I wound up this big metal piece, this block out, is riveted on from the factory, which is a pain in the neck because you have to drill all those rivets out. So when I did it, I went ahead and nut-serted all of these, which was nuts. So now they're, I think M3s is what I went with for all those. Pretty wild. That was a lot of work, pain in the neck, but well worth it because now I can just remove the thing. Now it's with nuts and bolts instead of drilling out rivets. Engine side. So I'll be tearing down a little bit more of this engine. I'm gonna do a compression and leak down test on it to see if there's anything funny going on. It seems like I've got a little bit of a blow-by issue potentially, so I'll do those checks and find out for real. Don't mind my lost spring at the last race. I just quickly threw tie on there to not lose the other one. But yeah, big thanks to HRD. Tiv out here, always coming in clutch. He's a good dude, does good work. He's got good guys here. It's a cool shop. If you're in the North New Jersey area, check him out. Just come by, see what he's got hanging out, working on here. It's pretty good stuff. But here you go, full view of the car, undressed. Alright, I'm going to cut this one there because we're expecting torrential downpour in about 10 minutes. So, see you guys at the next one. Thanks.